Balitaan ko na pumayag ka na raw magpa-sexy.
Hindi po sa pumayag ako, pumayag na si Boss Vic. Tingin ko, consideration din po yun. Parang sayang naman yung itsura ko, edi gamitin na natin.
Nag-kiss na raw ba kayo ni Geneva?
A gentleman never kisses and I think part of her charm kasi is really, she wears her heart on her sleeve.
Unknown to a lot of people, ikaw ay nagtapos ng chemical engineering lang naman. Sa mga top 11 nang pumasa talaga sa board nationwide during that year.
Ang showbiz, pag nandyan, kailangan mag-ride ka ng wave. I missed that wave, but then no regrets kasi nga, I really wanted to finish my studies. And palagay ko po, instrumental din si Tito Boy. Sinusuportahan niya ako for me to be able to study at the same time, gampanan yung mga roles ko in show business.
You were in your teens nung pumasok ka dun sa Smoky Mountains.
12 po ako noon, Smoky Mountain. But I auditioned earlier pa for this group called 14K site. Until now, they're still thinking of putting up a new group na magiging Smoky Mountain. Kakaiba na naman yung gusto niyang gawin. After that experience, sobra ko siyang na-enjoy. Nag-observe ako what's going on behind the camera. Yung first na narrative na ginawa ko was Silong, Piolo Pascual. Gusto nila mag-retire by the age of 40, gusto nila mag-enjoy na lang. Ako hindi, I really love working. I really love directing, singing, acting, basta everything, all the production stuff. Hi everyone, this is Jeffrey Hidalgo, inviting you all to watch TikTok with Tita Astor Amoyo every Friday at 12 noon.